Unleashing the potential of Snowpark Pandas API, a groundbreaking solution integrating Pandas with Snowflake, empowering seamless data manipulation and advanced analytics. Content Overview, Introduction to Snowpark Pandas API, its benefits, applications, case studies, and future prospects to help you understand its full potential and impact. Introduction to Snowpark Pandas API. Discover how this API transforms data processing by merging Pandas capabilities with Snowflake's robust platform. Traditional data processing was limited by local environments. Cloud-based solutions revolutionized this landscape, enhancing scalability and performance, paving the way for advanced frameworks like Snowpark Pandas API. Key features include seamless integration with Snowflake, leveraging distributed computing for scalable, high-performance data processing, and unifying the data ecosystem for enhanced collaboration. Snowpark Pandas API empowers data engineers with streamlined development, enhanced collaboration, and the flexibility to customize workflows, significantly improving productivity and efficiency. The API integrates effortlessly with existing Snowflake environments, finds applications across various industries, and has a future roadmap aimed at further enhancing data processing capabilities. Benefits and applications of the Snowpark Pandas API include unparalleled scalability, performance optimization, and efficient resource utilization, driving actionable insights from massive datasets. Scalability and performance are cornerstones of the API, leveraging Snowflake's distributed architecture to handle massive datasets efficiently and perform complex operations seamlessly. Operational efficiency is achieved through streamlined workflows, cost efficiency by minimizing data movement, and operational agility, enabling rapid prototyping and deployment of data processes. The API empowers data analysts with advanced analytics and real-time data processing, fostering a unified environment for seamless collaboration and enhanced analytical capabilities. Use case scenarios span financial analytics, marketing insights, and operational intelligence, showcasing the API's versatility in deriving actionable intelligence across various industry verticals. Case studies demonstrate the API's real-world implementations, driving efficiency and insights in financial services, e-commerce analytics, and healthcare analytics. Future roadmap includes advanced machine learning integration, enhanced visualization capabilities, and fostering a collaborative community to continuously evolve and meet industry needs. User testimonials highlight the exceptional satisfaction and impact on operational efficiency and analytical capabilities, underscoring the API's transformative potential. Snowflake actively engages with users to gather feedback and suggestions, ensuring the API's future development aligns with evolving needs and industry requirements. The Snowpark Pandas API is set to disrupt the data processing landscape, enabling organizations to derive actionable intelligence with unprecedented efficiency and scalability. Snowflake's commitment to collaborative innovation and community engagement ensures continuous improvement and excellence, aligning the API's future prospects with industry demands.